enough of this Brazilian music. Let's get to soccer now.
In Group A, we have Brazil, Croatia, Mexico, and Cameroon. In Group B, we have Spain, the Netherlands, Chile, and Argentina. In Group A, I expect Brazil to win, and in Group B, I think Spain's going to win. Now for Group C, we have Colombia, Greece, the Ivory Coast, and Japan. I think for Group C, the Japanese will prevail. In Group D, we have Uruguay, Costa Rica, England, and Italy. I like the Italians in Group D. Then in Group E, we got Switzerland, Ecuador, France, and Honduras. I think the French are going to prevail. In Group F, let me tell you about Group F. You got Argentina, Bosnia, Iran, and Nigeria. Give the victory to Brazil's arch-rival Argentina. In Group G, we have the killer group. You got Germany, Portugal, Ghana, and the United States of America. I love America, but Germany's going to win. And finally, in Group H, you got Belgium, and let me tell you, those waffles not going to help. You got Belgium, Algeria, Russia, and South Korea. And in Group H, I think the Russians will win. Give the victory to Mother Russia. Overall, I think the Italians will prevail and win the 2014 World Cup of Soccer in Brazil. For John Goldberg and Aaron Gaverman on the camera, have a great day.